Hello and welcome to Lovely Odd Pets. I am so super ridiculously excited today because, look at what this is. Do you have any idea what this is? This is an absolutely wonderful company for anyone who loves virtual pets. They have resurrected the Giga Pets. And not only have they resurrected Giga Pets, but they have created something magical in this box, and I'm about to show you what it is. So let's take a peek. It's my first time opening something one-handed. Wish me luck. What could be inside? Probably a shipping label. Oh, it's a nice little welcome letter. All right, what could this be? Yes, my friends, it is here. The first that I'm aware of unicorn virtual pet. Now, as you can see, it's a GigaPets AR is what they're calling it, and that's because they've got this really neat app that you can download and play with your unicorn in 3D. Look at this beautiful thing. I mean, really, it's so adorable. I can't even contain my excitement over this, not even a little bit. There's a little piece of cake on the screen. I mean, have you ever seen a more adorable virtual pet? You know, I've got a lot in my collection of odd pets. I can't think of one that is a cuter idea than a unicorn who eats cake. I mean, look at the little animations on the side. Just so cute. So, I'm going to open this up and be back with a part 2 where I show you, and my cat's going to help me. Hi, Juice Box. Where I show you how this thing works. Okay, bye-bye.